Today we're going to be looking at generating a rent schedule for your tenants. This is either done during the onboarding workflow, or if you've just added a tenancy into the system, there will be a prompt to generate a rent schedule for them. You can do this by navigating into the tenancy and then going down to their rent collection panel. As you can see, you need to set the day of the month that we need to generate the rent schedule from. The system already knows how much the tenant is paying, the AST dates, and the frequency the rent is to be paid. I'm going to select first day of the month. You can then choose the payment method. You can add a payment reference. This might be what you ask the tenant to put on their standing order. Then you have the rent schedule. If you're adding an existing tenant onto the system, it's advised to go with the future rent. And if it is a new tenant, the rent is going to be set up going forwards. If you switch off the future rent only option, it will populate past dates in, according to the AST date. This could then result in some overdues that you'll need to rent reconcile to clear. Once the rent schedule has been saved, I can look at the entire rent schedule here. So I can see that it is to be paid by standing order on the first of the month with the correct payment reference. I can edit the schedule from here as well. And then I've got my entire rent schedule. I do have some unconfirmed overdues. If you do have those and you are certain that the tenant has paid in full, I can actually click to mark all as paid at the bottom, and it will actually reconcile all of those payments.
COHO.